Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate 14% discount on any price using your calculator. So let's start. For example, we have an item and the price of that item is 12,000. You want to know what the final price will be after 14% discount or 14% off. So in this procedure, the first step will be we will multiply 12,000 with 14. In the next step, we will press the percentage button, and at the end we will press the minus sign, and finally we will press the equal to sign. So here's the final answer, 10,320. The final price after 14% discount or 14% off. Let's move on to another example. Let's suppose we have an item and the price of that item is 30,000. You want to find out what the final price will be after 14% off. So in the first step, we will multiply it with 14. In the next step, we will press the percentage button. Then we will press the minus sign. And at the end, we will press the equal to sign. So our final answer is here. It's 25,800. The final price after 14% discount or 14% off. So this is how you can calculate 14% of any price using your calculator. This is it for today's video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.